Hey knife nerds, welcome back for another unboxing. Today I've got the Toor knives Jank Shank. I ordered it from Blade HQ. It came packaged in some shrink wrap in this very attractive box here with some silver foil for the... So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Looks like it's got a magnetic flap here that opens. Open it up. And we've got a microfiber dusting cloth, the Toor Knives logo on it, a very cool Toor Knives sticker, some literature, founder's message, and here we've got the Jank Shank itself. Very cool. Steel width is 0.1875 inches. The blade with the new scales that they have added. I guess previously the Jank Shank was skeletonized, so it had no scales. This version with the scales is 3.6 ounces. It comes with a sheath. The overall length is 7 inches. The blade length is 3 inches. The handle length is 4 inches. G10 scales. Steel is CPM 154. Really, really nice. I love the design. I love these sturdier, smaller fixed blades. They're easy to conceal, easy to use. The blade thickness makes them very durable. I don't have any fixed blades with this finger ring, so I'm kind of interested to see how that feels in the hand. But you know, as you can see, it works with multiple grips. I'm really impressed with the craftsmanship. The knife seems the blade seems very sharp to me. I love the packaging. It's a great presentation. Looks really cool. I don't see anything in the way of a chain or any kind of material to attach to that sheath, but you know, I'll figure something out there. All in all, really nice. Impressive presentation. I can't hear anything. So what do you guys think? Do you anybody out there own a Toor knife? If so, what's your favorite Toor knife? What's your opinion on these USA made fixed blades? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like or a comment below, and if you'd subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate it. Thanks again. Take care.